Hello bachcho, let us solve this question here. Here the question says that answer each of the following questions in one word or one sentence as per the exact requirement of the question. So your question says that if matrix A is 2, 3, 5, minus 2 be such that A inverse equal to K into A, then find the value of K here. So here they are asking us to find the value of K here. So to solve this question, the key concept that we are going to apply here is, so first of all, here A inverse can be found out by using the formula here, adjoint of A divided by determinant of A here. Okay, so here A inverse exists only when determinant of A is non-zero here. Okay, this is the first condition that we are applying. And also here we need to know one more property, that A inverse A gives us what here? Identity matrix here. These are the two properties that I am applying to solve this problem. So now moving on to the solution part. So here they given us what here? They given the matrix A is 2, 3, 5 and minus 2. Okay, this is the given matrix here. So if I find the determinant of this given matrix, it's going to be what here? It's going to be 2, 3, 5, minus 2. So we have, so now the determinant is going to be what here? Crisscross. So it's going to be 2 2s are minus 4 and 5 3s are 15 here. So it's going to be what here? It's going to be minus 19 here. Okay, so now we got what we got. Therefore the value of that means I mean to tell here the value is non-zero. Okay, the determinant value is non-zero. So from this we can tell what here? So A inverse exists here. Okay, A inverse will exist. Now moving forward, so by definition what we have here, we know that A inverse into A gives us what here? Identity matrix. Okay, so where I is the what here? I is identity matrix. And also if I substitute, since from the question we have A inverse is equals to K into A here. So if I substitute this here, I am going to get what here? K into A is equals to identity matrix. So what I am going to get from this here? I am going to get here K into A square is equals to identity matrix here. So from here K multiplied by, we are going to get 2, 3, 5, minus 2, and next we are going to get 2, 3, 5, minus 2. So this one is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1 here. Okay, this is what we have. So now after multiplication of the two matrices, we are going to get what here? We are going to get 2 2s are 4 plus 15. Okay, next we have 6 minus 6, and next we have what here? 5 2s are 10 and 10 again. Next 5 3s are 15 plus 4 here. So this one is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1 here. Okay, this is what we have. So this upon further simplification, I am going to get what here? K multiplied by 19, 0, 0, 19 is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. This is what we got. Now on further simplification we are going to get, therefore K is going to be what here? 1 by 19 here. K is going to be 1 by 19. So this is the answer for the given question here. I hope this understood you well. Thank you so much. All the best.